channel Dave Italy. This is the students from Dave Italy's co-founder's 7th grade class. This video was made by us. Math may be hard, but let's have fun doing math today. Yay! What's up, brother? But before we get started, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. We are almost at 1 million subscribers because right now we are at 998,000 subscribers.
Adding and subtracting polynomials with common denominators. The first step is to make sure the denominators are the same. If they're not, make them. In this case, they are already the same. The second step is to add or subtract. So we subtract minus 3 from minus 9 to get minus 12. To simplify, we move the x power to the 5 and y power to the 7 to the numerator. When something with exponents are moved to the other side of the fraction bar, the sign for the exponent changes. For this, when you move the x to the power of the 5 and y power to the 7 to the numerator, the sign will change and it will become x to the power of minus 5 and y to the power of minus 7. Then you can simply subtract x to the power of negative 5 and y to the power of negative 7 from x to the power of 5 and y to the power of 7. The answer is minus 12 x to the power of the 2y over 7.
If you don't simplify, you'll turn emo like this. Adding and subtracting polynomials with common denominators. More examples. The first step is to make sure the denominators are the same. If they're not, make them. In this case, they're already the same. The second step is to add or subtract. For this, some teachers will ask you to leave the answer like step 2, and some will ask you to simplify. When you simplify, cancel the denominator with the numerator, and the answer will become negative 2 over x squared times y to the power of 4 plus 3 over x to the power of 4.
Here are some donuts for learning how to add and subtract polynomials with common denominators. You have officially graduated from not being able to subtract polynomials with common denominators.
Yay!
Yippee! What's up, brother?
We hope this helped you do your math homework.
For more practice, visit www.mathproblemgenerator.com. If you want to be a good boy/girl, do the steps correctly. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Before we get going, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We are about to have 1 million subs. Please help us reach this goal.
Yeah!